Good day guys. As you can see, the weather is getting gloomy again. And update to my mini garden. I have only one pepino or cucumber here. My sweet pea died. And I have one cayenne pepper. Let's see guys. And here I do have lots of jalapeno. Hello. I have a bigger one over there. And the zucchini never give me one, but oh my god, their flowers is amazing. And that's the update. And I can see here guys from my patio. I want to walk around there. So many wild like sunflower all over it. And you see my cucumber. Na-harvest naman. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, why I think wearing shorts? Walking. Ang tataas na ng damo niya guys. Bad decision ever. Ngangati-ngati na naman ako nito. Actually, last year, it's not like this guys. But I guess this year, so much rain that we have this year. I think they said they break the record since 99 whatever. So, grabe guys. I think few months din ako hindi nakapaglakad dito sa halikuran ng apartment namin. You can see guys. Kita niyo ba? Here. Dami niyang sunflower guys. Look. And grabe. Oh my god. Tagal ko na rin guys hindi nakakapunta dito. So, ngayon ko lang ulit nilakad si Duncan. Kasi, mamaya, may thunderstorm. Hindi naman niya makakalabas. Takot yan eh. So, nilabas ko muna siya ngayon. Oh my god guys. Look at that. It's amazing. Right?